Hi Fahad, this is Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. To my right, the vehicle you inquired about is our 2022 Mercedes-Benz GT53 AMG. As you can see, the vehicle is here. It's available for sale. As I mentioned, ready for immediate delivery and tucked nicely in our showroom. So we're going to take a walk around the outside of the car, then show you the inside, a cool little close-up video tour of the exact model you're interested in. Starting with the exterior. Obsidian black metallic. It's an upgraded black metallic paint. Gives off a really nice kind of shine to it. You see that metal flake in the paint, especially in the light. Daytime, you get a really nice shimmer from the exterior. We've got AMG styling, Pan American styled grille. This is a night package vehicle, so black metallic trim, nice sporty headlights, a very slanted front nose, giving it a very sleek look. We've got these forged multi-spoke 21-inch wheels, silver AMG brake calipers, very sleek. The black with the brushed lip on the edge, really kind of just giving it a very cool, very sporty look. We've got turbo 4MATIC badging, cool little styling details there. Sweeping window frames, black metallic window frames, also a part of that night package. Four-door coupe styling gives us this really sloped rear end. Very sleek styling, big rear haunches here. We get this big quarter panel widened out, that nice kind of wide body look. Coming around the back, we've got these wraparound LED taillights, very sleek, very slim. I think they fit the rear of the car nicely. Body styling, we've got dual tipped exhaust, also done in black metallic, AMG, GT53. You'll see the darkened grille up front, your darkened badges. That's a night optics package. Gives it a very sleek, very midnight look. Even the Mercedes-Benz star done in that black chrome, so it gives it a really, really cool look. Every detail thought about in this vehicle, configured the way we think it should be configured, what would be appealing to a customer, and makes it a very special vehicle. So wanted to take a quick tour around the inside of the GT. Inside the GT53, we can take a closer look at the interior. We've got a nice flowing dashboard, two 12-inch displays, touchscreen MBUX system for phone, navigation, radio. We've got black natural grain wood trim across the dashboard. It flows seamlessly into the door panels. Upgraded Burmeister surround sound system, power memory seating, heated and ventilated seats as well. You'll see the 64 color ambient lighting inside the vehicle, including our air vents. We have dual zone climate control. We've got a touchpad controller. We've got our wing adjustments, our performance exhaust system, all these controls done from this center pad here. And these displays are actually LED displays for all of our available options, which is a pretty neat feature. Sunroof up top. We've also got AMG performance seats, so we get a much thicker bolster. We get a much more sport-oriented seat, but incredibly comfortable. And we also have this beautiful black leather gray stitching. All together, a really nice interior, I think really nicely designed. We wanted to put together just a quick video tour of the GT53 you inquired about. Nice AMG steering wheel here, AMG drive units as well. So if you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.